How to fix Minecraft Java not launching. So what you want to do is head over to the task manager. So press CTRL, Shift and ESC at the same time. This should open up task manager, and what you want to do is find Minecraft or anything related to Microsoft here, and the task. Now you can close this. Right click on your launcher. Now I'm using T launcher. It doesn't really matter whatever launcher that you're using. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility. Here check run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then check run this program as an administrator and click apply. Now check if it works. If it doesn't work, simply restart your computer here and then try to open it again. If it still doesn't work, you should probably update your graphics card drivers. So the way you would do this is head down here, go to control panel, device manager, click on display adapters. Here you should find your graphics card, double click on it, go to driver and update driver. Now if that still doesn't work, you should repair the Minecraft launcher that you're using. Every single launcher has a different way of repairing it. So yeah, that's how to fix Minecraft Java not launching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.